Hi viewers, I am Rizwan Tahir, Sales and Marketing Consultant. Today's video's topic is how to advertise your restaurant with low cost. The first point is that you should determine your audience type. Before starting advertisement, you must be clear about your customer type. Are they sports persons? Are they young students? Are they old people? When you know exactly your customers, you can target them effectively. Creating a website is a major part of online advertisement. You can create a good website with a very low cost nowadays, and you can use programs like Wix, Weebly, WordPress for designing your website. When creating the website, you must include your restaurant's logo, contact details, cuisine type, uh, location map, multimedia, social media, and your events tab. Please don't forget to add an online order form so customer can order from the website. Creating blog is a free and effective way of communication. You can create a blog and publish regularly about your new dishes. You can also publish nutritional facts for the customers, and you can publish about any upcoming events. People can feel connected with you as they can leave comments and reviews below your blog. So keep doing the blogging. It's a very good way of advertising. You can also register your business on the online directories. Here we have three options. You can register on the local business directories. You can also register your business on the government's standard publications. You can register on your business on the Google My Business. Uh, Keep in mind, when you register on these directories, leave your company name, contact details, location, and cuisine type so people can identify you easily. Joining local chamber of commerce is a good idea, but it costs you a little. Advantages are that they organize events where you can represent your brand and restaurant, and they publish their directories. By this way you reach to more people, and also you get a chance of networking with your industry people, exchange views and get updates and grow. And also it gives you a good public reputation when you are registered with a competent government authority. You can host events in your restaurants like small music parties, family days, a happy hour where you give special discount. All of these give a lot of excitement and public interest in your restaurants. You can also do promotions, like you can give small coupons with a certain amount of bill to the customers, which give them discounts on soft drinks and desserts. This costs you very little, but this makes them happier and smile, and they give a very good word of mouth outside. You can also engage your customers personally. You can collect data of all the visiting customers, data like phone number, date of birth, religion, and when they have their festivals or birthdays, you can wish them best luck. You can send away good messages uh, through emails or WhatsApp, and they feel cared and connected with your restaurants and your company. Build partnership in your surroundings. Like you can make a partnership with any nearby yoga club or beauty spa. You can give away discount coupons for their customers. By this way, divert their customer towards your business, and also your business customers can go to their facility. So you both get a advantage and growth in your business. Using the power of social media. Out of four people, one person is on the social media nowadays. Let's talk about Facebook. Facebook is a best medium for the promotion of small and medium sized businesses. You can post the pictures of your dishes regularly. You can post any new dish introduced in your restaurant. You can post the videos and pictures about the parties and events held in your restaurant. You can also create a special Facebook page and promote this one. You can join the groups to reach targeted audience. Instagram is also a very light medium for promotion and advertisement. It mostly deals with uploading pictures and videos. So same way of Facebook, you can post your dish pictures, you can post some recipes in the form of pictures, and you can upload videos of the parties and events. You must be thinking that I'm telling you to post videos and pictures of parties and events on the Facebook, and also same thing on the Instagram. The reason I'm telling you this is that some persons are present on the Facebook while others are present on the Instagram. So by this way you will reach the diverse audience present on different social media platforms. You can also use Google to your advertisement purpose. The most important and effective way is registering on Google My Business. When you register on Google My Business, keep in mind you must give your company name, your cuisine type, your location, contact details, working hours on the Google My Business. And in Google My Business, you can also get reviews which can promote naturally your business, because many of the people search for Google reviews before going to new places. And now YouTube. You can make a small channel of your restaurant, and you can leverage this to enhance your advertisement efforts. What you can do on Facebook, you can show up the cleanliness, you can show up your decor and facility in the videos, you can upload the different dish recipes, you can give away free classes to the customers and people, and this helps you get image for your restaurant and reach out to more and more people present on the YouTube. I hope you have enjoyed my videos. Please share, like, and subscribe for the more videos. Thank you very much.